and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're a new subscriber here, welcome to my channel. My name is Anjani and this is my YouTube channel where I make videos regarding beauty, fashion, styling, lifestyle and lots more. So first of all, I really wanted to thank each and everyone who have subscribed to my channel and have been supporting me. A really big thank you to all of you. And today's video is, as you have already read by the title, today we are going to be doing a glam transformation. And we know that it is quarantine period, सब घर पे बहुत बोर हो रहे हैं, तो I was like just sit down and chill and talk to you and just slather some makeup on. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so I have zoomed you guys in so you guys can see what actually is going on. So first I'm going to start with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Sorry, ऐसे. So I'm going to start by this, and I'm going to prime my eyelids with using this concealer. The makeup that we are seeing today, I saw Shannon XO, who's another YouTube beauty guru. उन्होंने किया था ये makeup and I really loved how it turned out. So as I told you guys earlier that it's more like a cat eye, smoky sort of a look. So I thought of giving it a shot, and I am really thankful for all of you who are supporting me and who have subscribed to my channel. Keep supporting, keep liking me guys. मुझे expecting नहीं था पर हो गया, चलो अच्छी बात है. And if you have like any particular like video recommendations के what type of videos you want me to do leave me in the comment section down below. It will really mean a lot to me, so I have an idea like what sort of content you want, so I can make that for you guys. So I'm just using a beauty blender and blending this out. Done this eye. It is like a soft smoky eye with a little bit of glitter, so that's what we are going to be doing on this eye. So I've already applied scotch tape diagonally. So what you have to do, आपके eye जहाँ आपकी eyelashes होती है, the lower lash, वहाँ से लेके आपके eyebrow को connect करना है. As you guys can see, somewhat like this. Okay, so we will quickly start. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Wet n Wild palette, which is this palette over here. I'm going to pick up the shade, this one, which is like more of a beigey color shade, and I'm going to put this, I'm really sorry, I'm all over the place. So I'm just going to take this color and I'm just going to put this all over my eyelids. The look that I was looking for, जो मैंने सोचा था that करेंगे, वो ही लुक है, पर इट हैज़ अ टच लाइक द ग्लिटर पार्ट वाज माय टच. मेरे को थोड़ा अच्छा लगा, सो मैंने बोला डाल देते. एंड द लुक वाज वेरी मैट एंड वेरी सिंपल, एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई डोंट लाइक दोज सॉर्ट ऑफ लुक्स, सो आई जस्ट थॉट ऑफ एडिंग सम ग्लिटर. सो हाँ, वही किया मैंने. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my MAC 217 brush and I'm going to take my same Wet n Wild palette over here. And I'm going to be picking up these two shades over here for my transition, and you have to make sure that you're holding the brush like far away, because we are going to do like soft blending motions. So we'll start from the outer corner and move into the crease line, somewhat like these. I had an idea, like I just wanted to ask you guys, I have a video idea, like do you want me to do, sort of makeup 101 where I start from the basics like primer, skincare, foundation and all that stuff. So let me know in the comment section. I was planning on doing that sort of a video, so just leave me in the comments if you would like to see. My mama is here with my green tea. Thanks mama. Cheers you guys. Okay, so as you guys can see, I am holding the brush like very पीछे. मतलब you have to make sure that you are not having like a tight grip, because we want like soft blending. So I'm just going to put this in my outer corner. ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट हमें outer corner में लगाना है, और फिर धीरे धीरे you have to smoke it into your crease and your inner corner. And if it looks a bit harsh right now, don't worry, सब blend होने ही वाला है. एंड बहुत ऊपर भी नहीं लेके जाना. यू हैव टू स्टे लाइक इतना जगह रखना ही है for your brow bone area, because lot of people tend to make a mistake where they put color up till here, which is something that we don't want. We have to keep this little space for our, you know, highlighting color, which makes a lot of difference. So once this is done, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take a clean, nice blending fluffy brush. If you guys can see, it's, yeah. So now what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to buff out the edges. So once we have our transition shade going on, what I'm going to be doing, from the same palette, I'm going to pick up this dark brown shade with the help of an angled brush like so. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pick the product, tap off the excess and look carefully, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start it from the outer corner and I'm going to move into the inner corner. So we have to like draw like a normal eyeliner जो हम create करते हैं वही करना है, but this will just be like your guideline. If you are a beginner, this is a very good trick. Like if you want to create that winged eyeliner, so what you do, you take a dark brown or a light brown shade, create the line if you feel that it's according like how you want it. So you can just put a gel liner or a liquid liner, whatever liner you want over it. So I'm just putting this product, and as you guys can see, the liner is not too thick, not too thin, just how I like. तो मैं खाली ये प्रोडक्ट को प्लेस कर रही हूँ इस पे, and it's okay if it's not perfect because it's all about blending and blending. So as you guys can see, I'm concentrating the product ज़्यादा बाहर on the like outer side because that's the concentration part, like so. तो अब दिख रहे हो कि यहाँ बाहर प्रोडक्ट ज़्यादा लगाई हुई है अंदर से. So that we have to keep in mind. And after that is done, I'm just gonna take a blending brush and I'm going to blend it slightly, not too much, and I'm just gonna remove the fallouts. Okay. वो हो जाए उसके बाद I am going to be taking a brush like this. This is like a small smudger brush. I'm gonna switch the palettes. I'm gonna take my Naked 2 by Urban Decay and I'm gonna take the shade which is called as Blackout, which is like a dark black color. This is an amazing black. This is one of my favorite black colors. I know it's quite strange, but Urban Decay makes amazing black products like eyeliner, kajal, eyeshadows, amazing. So for this, what we have to do is we have to do the same technique. Bahar se we have to drag it inside. Slow hand motions. जल्दबाजी में प्लीज मत करो, बिगड़ जाएगा सच्ची में बता रही हूँ. जस्ट ड्रैग योर प्रोडक्ट धीरे धीरे, कोई घाई नहीं है, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है, ठीक है. We have like a base for the black to go on. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to mix all these brown, like this one and this one, and I'm also going to take a little bit of black. So a little bit of this, and thoda sa black, like thoda sa, zyada nahi. And what I am going to be doing is I'm going to blend it out, like blend these bad boys out. So as you guys can see, it has given like a nice soft smoky sort of a look. Taking this Miss Claire Pearl eyeliner, it is a subtle liner and it's like what do you say, transparent. It's not like that chunky liner. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to concentrate this liner in the inner third of my eye, not too much. Just a little bit, like so, and with my finger I'm just gonna pat it so it gives like a natural. Okay, so now I am going to be moving on to eyeliner. I'm using this one. This is the Maybelline the Colossal Bold Liner. Guys, if you want to invest like into a very good liner, go for this one, because this is something that I have been using ever since I started my YouTube channel. Like माई मेकअप जर्नी बिगिन। मैंने ये सबसे पहली लाइनर थी जो मैंने खरीदी थी। Obviously the packaging has changed. If you have heard about the Maybelline other, like there's one more liner, उसके black bottle है, मुझे उसका नाम नहीं पता, अगर नाम याद आएगा तो मैं स्क्रीन पे डाल दूंगी। मैंने स्टार्ट उससे करा था और मैं अभी ये यूज करती हूँ। Maybelline liners are the best liners ever, like you can ever find. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to create like a nice wing with the help of this stencil over here. So we have an idea like where we have to connect and how much we have to. Lashes and we'll be right back because this is something that I really like to do off camera. The face now, face ke liye I don't know what to do. I guess I'm gonna do like a dewy sort of skin as we have done, so glitter on the eyes. So I'm gonna start with the MAC Strobe Cream and this is in the shade Pink Light. Now मुझे एक चीज पता नहीं थी आपको, like if you find anything difficult और आपको कोई steps है जो समझे नहीं है या कुछ प्रॉब्लम है कि इसके बदले कौन सा प्रोडक्ट यूज करना है या कुछ भी हो, so just leave me in the comment section down below and I'll make sure that I'll answer it to you guys, or else just follow me on my Instagram account or DM me and I will make sure that I just reply to you guys. And as I asked you guys earlier, do you want like a video concentrated on makeup basics, like I can start from skincare to base to eyes, lashes, everything, जो भी है सब स्टेप बाय स्टेप आपको बता के आपको सिखाऊंगी अगर आपको चाहिए तो. So leave me in the comment section down below if you like that idea or not. Now we will move on to the base once our skin is nice and moisturized. For base, I guess I'm gonna start with my this foundation. This is the L'Oreal Superstay foundation and this is in the shade 310. So I'm just gonna take about a pump of that on the back of my hand over here, and to this I guess I'm gonna add my Estee Lauder, what are these called, Goddess Luminous Liquid Bronzer Drops. So I'm just gonna add very so slightly, like very little, maybe थोड़ा ज़्यादा आ गया है but ठीक है. So this is the product that we are going to be using and I'm just going to add a little bit of foundation, mix them properly and just slather it all over our face. You can use any foundation or any bronzer that you have and you can do your base however you want. So this is how I like my bases nowadays. And if you don't follow me on my Instagram, which you should totally do, I have started uploading like different makeup looks every week, like 2 looks every week. So you can just go and check that out and I hope you guys would like it. I will have the link in the description box below, by the way. ठीक है, so ये हो गया. Now I'll just take my blending brush. This is a blending brush, it's from Real Techniques and I'm just gonna start blending my foundation in. And don't forget the neck, guys. Concealer, as my foundation is all done, I'm going to be using the Maybelline concealer and this is in the shade medium. So I'm just going to use this concealer and I'm just going to concentrate this concealer under my eyes. This is a really nice brightening concealer, so if you're looking for a nice brightening concealer, you should go for this. So I'm just going to put this concealer wherever, like where I need the brightness to be. So basically underneath my eyes, on my nose, and between my eyebrows, over here, and usually where I would contour. Today we are going to do like a cream contour, so we are going fully glam. And now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm just going to mist it with some Forever 52 makeup and Mist and Fix 2 makeup setting spray. So I'm just going to damp this thoda sa, not too much, don't waste your Fix Plus. So what I am going to be doing is I'm just gonna loose powders that I've ever tried. If you want to like loose powder, you can go for Kalaba, you can go for Forever 52. There are many. So what does this? What exactly this does is like it just helps to bake under your eyes. What baking will do will just help to hide the laughing lines that we get on like over here mouth area पे जो भी laughing lines आती है. Just help to remove the lines and under the eyes जो creasing होती है हमारी usually वो नहीं होगी. So we'll let this sit for some time, like 5-10 minutes. ये रखेंगे. तब तक we will quickly do our eyebrows. For our eyebrows we will do the Nykaa Brow Chicka Wow eyebrow pencil. It's nice and a funny name. Brow Chicka Wow Wow. So I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows very quickly. I need a good trim now because they have grown pretty bad. But anyways, I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows very so slightly because you guys know I don't like to fill in my eyebrows too much. Thoda sa, not that much. Thoda sa. Like just a little bit of definition, not too much. So I'm just gonna take the spoolie and I'm gonna blend it out. Okay. On to blusher, I'm going to be using my Nykaa blush and this is in the shade Malibu Barbie 03. This is a coral plus peach blush. As you guys can see, मेरी blush की पूरी हालत खराब हो चुकी है, पूरी टूट गई है, देखो. Still I'm gonna use it, so I'm just gonna dab the product. This is a very nice product, guys. Okay, and now I'm just gonna blush. Like so, guys, we will blend it. मेरी यही technique है. So what I do with my blush is I just place the product and then I'll just blend it later on. Now it's time for my favorite part, which is the highlighter. So before using the highlighter, I'm just gonna spray the Stay the Day Fixing Mist by Kalaba Skin. This is a very good, affordable makeup fixer. So what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna नहा लो. इसमें सच्ची बताती हूँ, नहा लो. उसके बाद I'm gonna use my Nykaa highlighter. This is in the shade 24 karat glam 01 warm gold plus pure gold. So I'm just gonna mix the highlighters with a nice dense brush. That's how I like to use for my highlighter. And now okay, so after we have placed the highlighter, I'm gonna take a nice fluffy fan brush and I'm just gonna blend the highlighter in. and I'm just going to spray this again so everything is last and final step is the lipstick. So I'm going to mix these 3 lipsticks. This is the combination that I have been wearing very often. So these 3 are the shades. They are the shade of brown. So first I'll start with the dark brown. Uske baad I'll put this and this and just mix everything and just मैं पागल हो गई हूँ सच्ची बताओ ना, क्वारंटीन में बैठ के इसकी वजह से ये सब होता है फिर। ओके, this is the final look, you guys. I really love how the look has turned out. It's very nice, very glamorous and easy at the same time. So I really hope you guys learned something from this look, and if you recreate this look, do not forget to tag me on my Instagram. I will have the name and the link in the description box below with all the products that I have used in this video as well. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I really appreciate, I really want to thank you if you have stayed till the end of the video, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and to watch this video. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Lots of blabbering done. I really hope you guys enjoy. If you want more videos like these, do not forget to comment in the comment section down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.